इलायची. So देखिए cardamom plant season almost like आपको होता है आपको like जुलाई अगस्त सीधा हार्वेस्टिंग सीजन होता है. ठीक है, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट आप रेनी सीजन होते हैं. दिस प्लांट लुक सिमिलर टू लाइक हल्दी होता है, टर्मरिक ओनली. बट यू वन थिंग इज द टर्मरिक हैज वाइड लीव्स बट इट हैज लॉन्ग एंड नैरो लीव्स. ओके, and this plant is grows this tall, this big, but the turmeric doesn't grow this big in size. It's a very sensitive plant. It requires 77% shade and 83% water. Kind of greenhouse वगैरह बने तो सनलाइट कम से वाटर लेवल पूरा कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, और रात को भी लाइट्स लगा के टेम्परेचर को कॉन्स्टेंटली मेंटेन करने का पड़ेगा. बट ऐसे जगह पर किसी को भी अलाउड नहीं होता बिकॉज दैट में सेंसिटिव होता है. ठीक है, बट
टेम्परेचर ज्यादा चाहिए,
कम
कम चाहिए.
बट ऐसे किसी को भी अलाउड नहीं होता बिकॉज हमारा बॉडी टेम्परेचर भी इम्पैक्ट बनता है. That much sensitive, but commercial लोग ऐसा पूरा करते हैं. commercial field everything is in that side, so we do all those things like kind of green house बने के बनाते हैं. अच्छा, अभी आपको इलायची प्लांट में से कहाँ पर लगता है? अच्छा, where you get that turmeric plant में से?
Under the ground.
Below the ground. And ginger?
That also.
It means all those are like rhizomes, right? But here it goes just the bottom of the plant, not above the plant, not in under the soil, just the bottom of the plant. See here, this is the plant. Okay, it comes with upper roots.
अच्छा.
The shoot it comes out, okay, and then it spreads all over the ground.
Is it like this?
Like, no.
That
Yeah,
one,
yeah,
that
yeah.
one.
You can see the roots are coming out. See here, these are the roots है आपको. ठीक है ना, ये पूरा roots अभी निकल रहे. ठीक है, it comes out then it spreads all over the ground. I mean no, only bottom. I mean not above the plant, not below the ground, not even mid of the plant. Just up above the soil only. But guys, you know, single plant how much we get? You know, we get like 2 to 3 to up to 7 to 8 kgs we get.
With one
some
plant.
of plant it gives about 2 to 3, some of like 4 to 5, some of like 7 to 8. But the thing is that after dry, so hard to get on 20% only. Think if we get 2 kg means, you know guys, after dry we get like 150 to 200 grams only. That is why guys, you know, ilaichi is so expensive. Okay, and one thing is cardamom is the third most expensive in the spices. I know who is first most expensive in the spices.
Ilaichi only.
Ilaichi is
Saffron.
third, no? Saffron, kesar. Second most is vanilla. Vanilla powder, bean stick, vanilla extract, not vanilla essence. Guys, if you have a gram of vanilla extract in that, we can make more than 100 ice cream. Okay? And third most expensive is like a cardamom. So guys, you know how many types are in cardamom? Like 3 types are the green, yellow, then dark brown. So here we grow only green, and in Kerala we get green and yellow, and in Sikkim side we get dark brown cardamom. So badi ilachi करके like in biryani, non dishes they use the dark brown because cardamom. Sweet dishes they use the green and yellow. But you know one thing is the green cardamom is more expensive than other cardamom. So green has more flavor, more aroma than the other two. And one more thing, in the green itself only like 4 to 5 varieties are there. Okay. And one more thing that what to say that cardamom flower itself only we call the like dancing flower. Okay. But the flower it stands just for a day only. It looks so pretty good. It is single petal flower. Both are pretty. Okay. See here, this is a flower. See how pretty it looks, right? You know guys why I call that dancing flower? You see girls wearing white frock and holding frock like this. जब frill करके खड़े हो जाते हैं ना, exact looks like that one. See here. So these two are hands, 2 legs and 1 head. So we call that dancing flower. So this is actually इलायची pods होता है आपको.
Ilaichi flowers.
हाँ, these are इलायची pods होता है. And you know guys, one more flower is that it's in Kerala. They call the lady shoe flower. The shape of flower almost looks something like lady sandal shape. That is why they call the lady shoe flower here the dancing.